Hello, it's Patrick from XPression. I'd like to show you one of the new features of XPression DataLinq in version 10, the ability to append text or prepend text to a data link. Alright, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to create a text field, and I'm just going to put in some generic numbers here, and I'm going to bring it down here just so we can kind of see it and follow it along. Now, this is just a text field, but let's say I want to put this together and make this be data linked to weather information. For example, the current temperature. I'm going to go in here and choose data source, and I'm going to choose data link, and I have data link sources already fixed up in here. I'm going to go in and I'm going to choose one called weather, and I'm going to choose weather for Chicago. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go and find a temperature, a weather point here. I'm just going to pick one randomly out of the pile, and I can see this is a daily minimum temperature of 41 degrees, and right now it's just 41. That's all the number is. So when I click OK, that's all I'm going to see. Now, in the past, what you'd have to do is play games with the script or possibly visual logic to concatenate and put a degree symbol in there. Well, not anymore. I'm going to go back to that data link source, and I want you to notice there's fields for prepend and append. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to type in Alt0176, and that's a degree symbol. And that's going to append it, in other words, put it to the end of my data link source. So if I click OK, you now see that that's 41 degrees as opposed to just 41. So I now have a simple way to do that. So imagine doing that for your sports statistics, for example. You could do shooting percentage and put a percent symbol there, or you could put PCT. It's up to you how you choose to put information in there, but you can now, again, I'm going to show you, you've got the ability to append or prepend, so you can add things into that field to make it more dynamic and make it easier to work with.